Bullish Chiliz, CHZ, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.419526 and $0.792438 by 2030. Market investigators accept CHZ could reach $0.326298 by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.074582. Chiliz, CHZ, presentation Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered an exclusive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, Socios.com. Chiliz has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the pioneer-in-chief of Chiliz. He has more than 20 years of involvement establishing and developing online organizations. Proceeding since its send-off, Socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage, fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices by means of a versatile application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their number one clubs through Socios.com's internet business store. What is Chiliz, CHZ? The Chiliz stage was made fully intent on giving fans a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers compensations for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is as of now utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to take part in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chiliz is as of now worth $0.093228 United States dollars. CHZ has moved 0.63% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $127,716,628. Chiliz is as of now positioned 85 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $658,397,684 United States dollars. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Chiliz, CHZ, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Chiliz, CHZ, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Forecast 2023. Chiliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, CHZ. The CHZ cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.139842. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.130519 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of $0.111874. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2024. Out of 2024, Chiliz CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform $0.233070. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the CHZ's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.186456 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.205102. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.326298 and CHZ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.298330 and a low of $0.279684 in 2025. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Chiliz effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.419526, with a base cost of $0.372912 and a typical cost of $0.391558. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.484785 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.466140 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CHZ has a greatest value worth of $0.512754. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.578013. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.605982. Neglecting to assemble the help CHZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.559368. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Forecast 2029. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.652596 and a yearly cost close above $0.699210 in 2029. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Chiliz will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.745824 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.792438, averaging out at $0.764469. Chiliz, CHZ, Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should do your own exploration. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme CHZ cost in 2031